Hello everyone, welcome back to Error Genie. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to fix the issue of your Facebook account being disabled for 180 days. If you're seeing this error and can't access your account, don't worry, I've got you covered with these simple steps. Open up Google on your phone or computer. In the search bar, type Facebook support. You should see a link to the Facebook Help Center. However, don't click that. Instead, scroll down and look for an option that says Recover your Facebook account. If you can't locate the link in search results, try typing directly into Google, Facebook Recover Your Account. Once you find the correct page, click on it to begin the recovery process. After landing on the account recovery page, scroll down until you see a section asking, "Was this helpful?" Click on No, then choose the option Other when asked for further details. Now comes the important part. Write a message to Facebook explaining the situation. You can say something like, "Hi, I need to recover my Facebook account as it was disabled for 180 days. I believe this is a mistake as I have not violated any Facebook community guidelines. Below is my account information. Email linked to the account phone number with country code name of the account. Double check that all the details are correct before submitting." After you click Submit, Facebook will review your case. Expect a response within 24 to 48 hours. Make sure you have access to the email you provided so you can receive the update. Once Facebook reviews your case, they will email you about whether they can restore your account. Keep an eye out for that email and follow any additional instructions they provide. And that's it. That's how you can try to recover your disabled Facebook account. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.